A flat tire.
We got a reveal here, but it's got to come out to this edge here. Still haven't decided what I want to do with this window right here yet. What do I get when I come out here this morning?
A flat tire. Well, not quite flat, see? But can't drive on it like this, so let's get some air into it.
Much better.
And the gift that keeps on giving. Low fuel. Guess I need to stop and get some gas. Some days are just going to be like this. Literally the only gas pump that I could get to was out of service. Gotta find another fuel station. And hopefully I don't run out of gas before I get there. Well, here goes. Officially it's a 21-gallon tank. So go figure. Now that I've put air in the tire, put fuel in the tank, and wasted half the morning, I guess it's time to get to work. Don't even know what I'm going to do. Now that I got the roof measured, I can go ahead and get all my stuff figured out. I'm going to figure out what I need to do to fix this door. I got to build this out to flush here all the way around so I can get my trim on the front. I'm doing hardy on the rest of the house, so I may just use hardy trim on this door facing instead of brick mold. But I have brick mold, so it'd be something I don't have to buy. I don't know. We'll figure it out. While I'm here, I may well figure this out too. I'm thinking just go ahead and put some concrete blocks in here and then do some stucco on top of this to match. I don't know if I'm good enough to do that. The other option is just to frame it in and put some siding on it. And that's probably the route I'm going to go. All right, now let's figure out what we're going to do. I do love this weather. 56 degrees. I need a haircut. Anyway, 56 degrees. It is a overcast day, but that's okay because, well, that means it's not going to get hot, and because of the way this weather is, you know it's going to change. But let's go see what happens. Here we are. We got some 2x material we're going to put in our door and finish our door trim off, and I'm going to have to plane it down to make it fit and cut it, and so we'll get started on that. And here's the door. Like I said, we just set the door in, but let's get for you to see what's going on here. We got a reveal here, but it's got to come out to this edge here all the way up at the top. So what we're going to do is we'll cut a 2x6 to fill this out, and then we'll put a piece of the trim on the outside. When we do our hardy trim, we'll run that around and finish that off. Still haven't decided what I want to do with this window right here yet. I really wanted to try and do the parge and render on it to make it match the brick, but I'm not sure that my skills are up to that to make it match. Well, we'll figure that out. And the other thing is, it's getting close to time for windows, so I'm going to try to get these windows removed and figure out what I've got to do for framing there. So we'll get that figured out too. Alright, there's the door
built out, we'll come back later when we do the siding on the house, and we'll put the hardy trim on the for the outside. I'm going to see if I can find a Jamb extension that will match this. Not holding out much hope, but we'll see what happens. Well, as luck would have it, you know, it was an overcast day today, and well, it rained, or started to rain, so we knocked off a little early today. Although we did work inside some, I didn't want to be carrying anything in and out, and I needed some more materials, so I'll just pick up fresh in the morning and get some sleep tonight. Take 2. Take 3. I tell you what, this is something else. In your mind, you have all this stuff that you want to say, and you come up with a script, and when you get behind the camera, suddenly it's like, oh my goodness, I can't remember what I was going to say. And so you try and remember, and then you just sound like an idiot. I mean, not that I'm not an idiot sometimes. But the point is, we're going to go ahead and call it a day, because it's starting to rain. Like I said earlier this morning, that, you know, it was overcast, and who knew what the weather was going to be like. But it started to rain, and didn't want to work in the rain, didn't want to go in and out of the rain, so we just picked up the tools and called it a day. With that being said, thank you for watching, and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you know somebody who might enjoy this kind of stuff, go ahead and share it. You know, more the merrier. Hit that, yeah, hit this, yeah, I said that. I said hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Be sure to look out for my new videos that I'm going to start a series on how I go about finding these houses, and, well, how I evaluate them. And I'm going to have one coming up next week probably. So be looking for that. And we'll see you next time.